Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today I'm making Suji Ladoo sweet. Soft, aromatic and melt in mouth, homemade ladoos made with simple ingredients. These traditional sweets are perfect for festival, family gatherings or anytime sweet cravings. Take 2 cups Suji or Semolina in a pan. Roast on low heat while stirring continuously for about 2 to 3 minutes. Ladoos are one of the oldest traditional sweets. Roasted suji creates a beautiful nutty flavor. Now add half cup ghee. Continue roasting on low heat for another 7 to 8 minutes until the suji becomes aromatic. Now keep aside and cool down for 5 minutes. Add 1 cup powdered sugar and mix well. Cover for 5 minutes so everything combines nicely with the warmth. Now pour the mixture into a blender. Blend for about 1 minute for a smoother texture. Blend while the mixture is still slightly warm. Transfer back into a bowl. Add half teaspoon cardamom powder and mix well. Cardamom gives sweets a rich natural aroma. Take small portion and shape into ladoos. Grease your hands lightly if needed while shaping. Homemade ladoos are often made during festival and celebration. Suji provides energy and fullness. Ghee adds richness and flavor when used in balance. Homemade sweets are fresher and preservative-free. You can control the sweetness as per your preference. Your soft and flavorful Suji Ladoo sweets are ready. Serve and enjoy these traditional homemade treats. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more easy sweets recipes.